Good morning, students. Take out your maths book, page 42. And this is our page 42. Days of the week. Do you know the name of days of the week? Yes? Say with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Say again. Sunday. Say with me. Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Clear? Now you have to match this number day's name to this. Say with me. 4th day, 7th day, 5th day, 1st day, 2nd day, 3rd day, 6th day. Okay. Now Sunday is already matched with the first day. Mean Sunday is the first day of the week. The week starts from the Sunday. So Sunday is the first day of the week. Do you know these all are ordinal numbers? Yes. And now Monday. What day come after Sunday? Monday. It means Monday is the second day of the week. So we will match Monday with the second day. Clear? And Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday mean third day, and Tuesday is the third day of the week. And where is third day? This is. So we will match Tuesday with third day, and Wednesday fourth day, and this is fourth day written here. And next Thursday, and Thursday is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. The Thursday is the fifth day. We will match it with the fifth day. And Friday, sixth. Fifth and sixth. Friday is the sixth day. Where is sixth? This one. Yes, we will match it with the sixth day. And Saturday is the seventh day. And seventh day is written here. We will match Saturday with the seventh day. Clear? Say with me. Sunday is the first day, Monday second day, Tuesday third day, Wednesday fourth day, Thursday fifth day, Friday sixth day, Saturday seventh day. Clear? You have to learn these days of the week. Now join the day to the correct ordinal. Clear? Look here. You have to join the day to the correct ordinal. Say with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Wednesday. And this first, we can write first like this. And we can write first like this also. Say with me. First, second, fifth, third, sixth, seventh, fourth. Clear? Now first day. Which is the first day of the week? Sunday. Now second day, Monday. And third day, which is the third day of the week? What day come after Monday? Tuesday. So Tuesday is the third day. And fourth day, what day come after Tuesday? Wednesday. So Wednesday is the fourth day. Clear? We will match fourth with Wednesday. And fifth day, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day. Clear? And Friday, fifth day. Friday is the sixth day. Friday is the sixth day. Clear? And Saturday is the seventh day. Clear? Say with me. Sunday first day, Monday second, and Tuesday third, and Wednesday fourth, Thursday fifth, Friday sixth, and Saturday seventh. Clear? You have to learn the spelling of days of week. Thank you.